Aloha. So in this video I will show you how to find your classes in Laulima. So to begin with, you can log into MyUH, and there is a link to Laulima inside MyUH. Alternatively, right here from the KCC website, there's a direct link to Laulima. You can also type in the address directly in the bar. It's laulima.hawaii.edu. But since we're here with the link, let's click on the Laulima link. When you get here, you'll log in with your username and password. And when you first log in to Laulima, it should land you here in this overview. Now, in order to find your classes, up here in the upper right side, there you'll click on the Sites area. So for me, since I already have classes lined up for the spring, my spring 2021 comes up. But for you, it'll probably be fall 2020, for those of you in this semester. And you'll see all the classes that you are currently enrolled in. Now, one thing I'd like to point out to you is one thing you may want to do is next to your classes this semester, if you click on these stars, that will favorite your classes. And if we clear here and then if we just reload the browser, you'll notice that all those classes that we just favorited now appear up top. And you can change that every semester. You just click on it to unfavorite it, to undo that star. And that way you can have easy access to the ones that you want to appear. Now, if you log in and you do not see your class, there's two things that you can do. The first one is probably send an email to your instructor, and the other one is you can request assistance through Laulima. So I would first also verify that you are in fact enrolled in the course, but if you are enrolled and you cannot find it in Laulima, you can request access by scrolling all the way down to the bottom. And down here, there is a request assistance link. And here, the staff at Laulima can reply to you, and you can let them know that you are enrolled in the class, but it doesn't show up when you go to Laulima. So that is how you log in and find your courses in Laulima. I hope that was helpful.